Right, everybody, this improv story is based on an idea. Man gets a hearing test. Let the story commence. There's this guy, and he's talking to the wife. And the wife's like that. Aye, because he's like, what's that, what? She says, I said that you're... You what? Are you taking the piss? I'm not taking the piss. Aye, you heard that. Aye, I heard that, but I didn't hear the rest of it. I said, you're... Mary, I can't hear... Because her name is Mary and his name is... I say Craig. I can't... What am I going to do? She's like, go for a fucking hearing test. He's like, I don't want to get one of the fucking hearing aids. Big, giant, fucking light brown, creamy looking thing that's meant to look as if it blends in with your skin. Never fucking does. Looks like the same colour as a fucking foam fucking neck kings you get in fucking school. I don't want that. Just go, because I can't put up with it anymore, Craig. I can't put up with it. You can't like, fucking go for the hearing, go for that fucking test right now. Alright. So he goes for a hearing test. There's an advert on the telly for one of these optician places, and they're saying, do you know, also the hearing tests. So he goes along, and he goes in and he says, I'm here to get my hearing tested. And the one behind the counter says, oh, okay, well, what you have to do is you're going to have to do... He's like, what? She says, you're going to have to... He's like, I can't, what? We have to fill in this, and so if you just fill that... I can't... See, that's what I'm here for. I'm here to get the hearing test. I know why you're here. So if you can do that, is it right? Fill it in. Gets the form, looks at it, kind of fills it in, right? Sits down, waits. The woman's like, yeah, no. You what? Yes, thing. Alright. I'm sorry, and what was that? You can fucking go through now. Aye, alright. Goes through. The person's got this stuff set up. Hi there. Hi. Your name's... Eh? What's that? Your name's... Eh? No, it's not Shay, it's Craig. It's Shay. Craig. Oh, I thought you said, no, it's not Shay. No. What? Aye, what? Huh? What's that? Right. So I'm going to be doing a hearing test. Right? I'm going to put these things on you. And you're going to have that. I'm sorry, pal, I can't hear you. I'm going to put these things on it. And you're going to... Alright, right. So is that actual hearing aid? What's that, sorry? Is that the... I thought... What? I'm sorry, are you going to have to... What? Huh? What? 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 Hold on. Sticks the hearing aid on. Sticks the hearing aid on. Sorry, sir. I actually myself need a bit of hearing aid, you know. Need a bit of hearing aid, you know. And I forgot to switch it on. So that's why I'm best equipped to serve you today, sir. Because I went a bit of old clubbing, you know, the old years, you know. I used to go to old clubs. I stood a wee bit too close to the speakers, you know what I mean? Oh, aye, I see me, aye. So, I'm going to get you equipped with these fucking hearing aids, right? Right, we're just going to go straight for it. Right, you know, I don't need to test your hearing, your hearing's fucked. We're going to get you hearing aids. I don't want any of the the ones, the big ones that are at the back. It's not like that anymore, sir. It's not like that anymore. Listen here, stick these in. Pops them in. I can fucking hear everything. I can fucking hear everything. Good, isn't it? Good, isn't it? I can fucking hear everything. But I don't want it to go in the ear like that. I don't want people looking at my ear and going off, you've got a hearing aid. You got a hearing aid. The guy goes like that, but here's the thing, mate. Here's the thing. See with these new hearing aids, right? They're not that fleshy coloured one, they're not that this fucking colour. They're white. White. But everybody will be able to see them dead easy. No, but people think that you're like fucking, you've got like wireless fucking earphones in. Do you know what I mean? Oh aye, right enough. And here's another thing. Do you remember what I said a wee minute ago about how I need them myself because I used to go clubbing and all that? Aye. Well, by the way, this is crystal fucking clear. Crystal clear. Listen, forget about that, listen. See if anybody goes like that to you. Aye, old bastard. Aye, old bastard with the fucking, the ear things in, mate. Hearing aids. Just go like that. Either say that they're Bluetooth earphones, right? Or, this is what I've been telling you, that was the old way. The new way is to take pride in it and say, I have got hearing aids. I've got hearing aids because I used to go clubbing and I used to have some pretty mental times standing next to the speakers, man, blew the old fucking eardrums out, man. You know what I mean? But I didn't really go clubbing or anything like that, you know, I didn't do any of that. Neither did I. But it's cool to say that. Oh, aye. Oh, you're right enough, aye. Well, that's a good idea. I'm going to do that. So he buys the earphones, he's like, how much for these anyway? How much? They're £900. They're what? They're what? £900. They're what? Are the fucking hearing aids not working anymore? No, they're working. I can't believe £900 for a pair of fucking earphones. No, that's £900 each. So £900. £1,800. £1,800 for the two of them. By the way, that is how much they actually cost. £1,800 for it. You're joking. No. Well, listen mate, I'm going to leave. I can't afford that. Alright, well, on you go. On you go. On you go. On you go then. You know. What was that? I said, on you go. What? Huh? What's that? What did you say to me? What? Like that. Like that. Guy picks up earphones, puts them in. Goes like, say that again. I said, you're a fucking wank. I heard that. That's another reason. I was just joking. That's another reason why you want these hearing aids. To know if anybody's coming to cunt. Alright, I'll take them. So he buys them. Buys his hearing aids. Goes up the road. Puts the hearing aids in. And £1,800. Tells the wife, Mary, I can hear fucking everything now. Everything. Crystal clear. Go, speak. I How much were they? How much were they? 900. 900 for a pair of fuck. That's actually that's just for one of them. For one of them. 900 for one, but you're not getting another one. 900 for one of them. I suppose you only need one. Dad, 900 and I got the two hen. Got two. 1,800 fucking quid. 1,800 quid. 18 fucking hundred quid. I can't believe you fucking 1,800 quid. 1,800 quid. He's like, oh fuck you. 1,800 quid. You couldn't fucking. That's all she fucking talked about, man. That's all she fucking talked about. Fuck, he's like, oh fucking hell, man. Fucking hell, man. He went back to the fucking hearing place. He's like, get these fucking out. Get these out, man. The fucking that guy, the hearing aid guy's like, ha ha. Careful what you wish for, man. See you later, man. I know your wife, by the way. I remember her from school, by the way. She's fucking like, isn't she? See you later. The end. I can do so much better than that. I'm so sorry. I'm glad you like it. I'm glad you fucking like it. Fucking hell.